If you apply your cream and you still feel that your body or your skin is still looking dry, this video is for you. Stay tuned and I'll be right back.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. So today I'm sharing a simple but effective tip to keep your skin feeling deeply moisturized. If you have ever felt like your body lotion isn't giving you enough hydration, this hack is for you. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I infuse castor oil into my body lotion. I poured some of my cream into a separate container, added 2 tablespoons of castor oil, which you'll be seeing soon. And castor oil is rich in fatty acids and has amazing moisturizing properties. It helps to lock in moisture, leaving your skin smooth, soft and hydrated for longer. Plus, it's great for soothing dry or irritated skin. So now that I've added my castor oil into this cream, I mix them together until it is smooth. And that's it. It's just so simple. You can use any other oil of your choice. You can use you can use shea butter, or you can also use coconut oil or olive oil, just to make sure your skin is hydrated and not dry all day. This will give you a 24 hours moisturizing. I hope this video helps you. So I'm going to apply it on my skin and I'll show you how hydrating is. My skin here is dry, so I'm just going to apply this on my skin for you to see. You can see how hydrating my skin is looking already. So this will last for 24 hours. So if your skin is dry, you can easily mix your cream with either shea butter or coconut oil or almond oil, any oil of your choice, and then you get an hydrating skin like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click that notification bell so that anytime I post any video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.